I think with any brand at one point, it's all about reinventing, rejuvenation, like a fashion house who appoints a new art director. I bring my own vision, my own creativity to this iconic fashion house. Keeping it fresh, keeping it current, but respecting the heritage. If you don't reinvent, you become past. Petrus has been on top of the island Shangri-La since opening in 1991. It has got a well-established reputation, an amazing wine collection, and it has got a really iconic following. Chefs are the middlemen between the producers and our guests. So we are only enhancing what the producer already give us. Tell the story to the guests. I've got this red prawns, which I get from Spain, and it's the original fisherman from El Bulli who I met when I was working there. And we kept the relationship over all these years. And for me, that's the most beautiful part about cooking. In today's world, sustainability plays a vital role of what we do. It's very, very important for a brand and also for a chef to know exactly where it comes from, what is involved of growing, harvesting, or catching that product. We work with a local forager. We work together also with a local organic farm. We work with the WFF for sustainable fishing. We make sure we recycle all our waste products. Also, I'm on board of Food Made Good, looking at how we can all work together collectively in order to change how the food chain works. For me, it's more about supporting artisanal producers to make sure there's heritage behind it, there's craft behind it. I think it's very important on the fine dining level, as fine dining has changed. It's all about the human interaction, because it's creating an experience. We are so now more and more removed of doing everything via email, Zoom. You know, you can take people away for an hour or 2 hours of their normal life, put them into this little bubble of experience where they can enjoy delicious food, amazing wine, and the company of who you're with. I think for me, you know, we have started on a great journey of the old, the new, and of who we are today. We are very lucky of have been received a Michelin star. Ultimate dream for every chef, I would say, is to get 3. And you know, that's my dream, and that's what I keep on pushing for.